Hi everyone, welcome to Scented Flames and Craft. We're going to talk about or discuss the different fragrances that we carry. We have 15 that we bring all year round, we carry all year round. And holidays, we had 2 or 3, depends on the holiday, Christmas, Halloween, holidays like that. So here we go. So this is the rack that we keep our candles on. As you can see, different colors. So we have peach. We carry peach in 3 different sizes: 8 ounce, 10 ounce, and 14 ounce. Pineapple sage, the same 3 sizes. We have honey pot, which is honey subtle and jasmine, same 3 sizes: 10 ounce, 8 ounce, and 14. Then we have the keys, which is a tropical, like grapefruit or orange. That's the kind of fragrance it gives. Then we have the famous lavender sage, one of our best sellers. We have patchouli, ocean breeze, comes in the same 3 sizes. We have Beg For It with the fragrances Love Spell. So we have this in 8 ounce and 10 ounce too, and the 14 ounce jar. We have Reggae Night, which is mahogany tea code, come in 8 ounce and 10 ounce, 14 ounce jars. Then we have Bite Me. We sold out. That's a spot for the 14 ounce. The total is sold out of 14 ounce Bite Me. We have Pepper Noir, which is midnight coral fragrance. The peppermint and eucalyptus, we want to carry it in 1 size, which is a 10 ounce. So pretty that is. Just smell just as good. Then we have bamboo coconut, and we have cinnamon and vanilla. This is a new fragrance store line, which we give it name Spices. And then down the bottom we have Burning Desire, which is rose petal fragrance. So those are the fragrances that we carry at Scented Flames and Craft. Thank you for joining us.